Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at a radio I ordered a few days ago on eBay. I've had my eye on getting an old Washington CB SSB radio from Uniden. And as you know, I like to repair things or attempt to repair things. So I've been keeping my eye on for a good deal. And I have a page pulled open here just so you can see the different radios that have sold. $210 with $10 shipping. $111 with $52 shipping. $229 with $39 shipping. So let's go down. And you can probably guess the one I bought. I bought this one. It says Uniden Washington CB home base radio, 40 channel, 2-button, not working. Well, first of all, it's not a 2-button, it's the 3-button. And I wasn't aware of this, but let's go ahead and open it up here. Down here, here it is. And what they mean by the 2 or 3 buttons was the lower right-hand corner here. The earlier models had a 2-button on the side here and a 4-pin microphone. So this one was a little later, probably I think after 1978 or 80. And like I said, it has the 5-pin microphone also here. And the other difference inside, the earlier models had a relay. Inside, when you would key down on your mic, you can hear it click, and they also had a different PLL in it. So anyway, I looked at this one for $49 or $50 with $20 shipping, so I thought, okay, that wouldn't be too bad. $50 and $20 shipping, so it came to around $74, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And I'll show you why I decided to buy this one. Looking at it on the outside, on the front, looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. Maybe a little mark up here. Let's expand it up here. Let's read the description. It says, for parts are not working. Let's see. It says, sold is for parts. Rusting to the bottom and back, won't power. Now, the power didn't bother me, and I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and open it up bigger here again and take another look. Looks pretty clean on here. The case is a little rough, so let's go ahead and switch through. As you can see, this is the top cover. Got some rust on the screws here. A little bit of corrosion on the cover. And I plan to sand this down anyway and repaint it. And then you get in the back, you can see some kind of water damage here, some rust. And when it said it wouldn't power up, if you look back here, it has AC power and DC power. And there's a switch here which is broken. But as you can see here, I don't know if you can quite see it. You can see it's in the left. It's in the left position, which is DC power, so it runs off the power here. So when they plugged it in to test it, it's not going to work because it's on DC power. So I have a feeling that's why it didn't power up. And then if you look here, you can also see the case. The screws aren't in the side here. It is over here, you can tell, which that doesn't bother me. So it's I don't think the case is bent. I just think it's not screwed in. And then again, you can see some rust here. And it looks like the rust went down to the bottom of the case here. This looks like you can see the serial number here. And here's the bottom. And you can see it's rusty also. Looks like the rust goes up here. Kind of weird though, the screw's not rusty here. So I'm not quite sure. Then you can see the case is separated here, but you can see a hole here where the screw's not installed. So it's not bent, it's just missing the screws here. And let's go back over here again. It also could be a fuse here. And what were we going to look at? You can see inside the case here a little bit. And let's see, where else did I want to look? You can see some of the components in here. So I'm not sure if the water damage extended into the case. I took a gamble on this. The fact that he tried to power it up, maybe, I don't know, maybe it looked okay. It looks like this was like one of those rent-to-owns too, originally, this radio. I found that kind of interesting. So anyway, I'm supposed to get this in a few days, and then we're going to, before we try to power it up, we're going to open it up and take a look inside. And I'm assuming this probably got rusty. It sat on a shelf and the shelf got wet or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what caused this corrosion. But as long as it's not inside and affecting the circuit board, I should be able to clean this up and get the case looking halfway decent again. So now I'm just waiting for the radio to come in the mail. I thought this would make an interesting video on buying a damaged old radio and seeing if we can fix it and get it back working. Probably the most important thing is hopefully the water didn't get in and get high enough to get to the circuit board and eat away the traces. So I'm taking a gamble on this, but hopefully we'll be able to get it to work. I did order a microphone on Amazon, a brand new Workman 5-pin microphone, had pretty good reviews, which will work on the Washington CB. If I can get the Washington CB working and looking halfway decent, I'll probably try to find an original microphone to keep the radio original. But for now, we're just going to wait till it comes in. And if I can fix it, I'll have to replace the AC-DC switch. But I need to see the bolt pattern on the back so I can order the correct part. So there you have it. That's going to be our next video. Sorry I haven't posted for a while. I've been running out of ideas, been kind of busy. But hopefully I'll start getting those videos once a week again. And I think this will make an interesting series. So if any of you have had any luck with, I'm pretty sure how to remove the rust. I'm probably going to, there's several ways I've read. Vinegar, I hear, is a good way. Also, believe it or not, I've read WD-40 in a really fine steel wool can remove the rust. But once I remove the rust, I'm not sure, should I put some type of paint over it or protection? Not really sure on that. So we'll do a little research between now and when the CB comes in. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Hopefully we'll have the CB here and we'll unbox it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.